In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix captcha error in Chrome. If captcha pages are not loading properly, or if Chrome keeps showing an error when you try to verify that you're not a robot, there are a couple of simple things you can do to fix it. In many cases, this issue happens because of a browser extension interfering with the page, or because stored browser data is causing a conflict. So let's go through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's tools and settings. From there, click on Extensions. This will open the area where you can manage the browser extensions currently installed in Chrome. Extensions can be very useful, but sometimes they can block scripts, modify web pages, or interfere with captcha systems without you realizing it. What you want to do here is temporarily disable your extensions. You don't need to remove them permanently. Just turn them off one by one, or disable all of them for the moment, and then try the captcha page again. This helps you check whether one of the extensions is causing the problem. If the issue still exists after disabling the extensions, the next step is to go back to the three-dot menu and click on Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains important controls related to cookies, cached files, and browsing history, all of which can sometimes affect how websites behave. Now, click on Delete Browsing Data. When this window opens, you'll be able to remove stored browser information. Go ahead and click Delete. Clearing this data can fix captcha errors because it removes outdated or corrupted files that may be preventing the verification system from loading correctly. After the data is cleared, it's a good idea to close Chrome and open it again before testing the website one more time. These two methods are often enough to solve the problem quickly. Disabling extensions helps rule out interference, and deleting browsing data gives Chrome a clean start with the website. If you follow these steps carefully, there's a good chance the captcha error will be resolved and the page will work normally again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.